our lifestyle and eating habits do influence our overall health. We do live in modern environment, but this all leads to health issues. We are constantly surrounded by various chemicals and toxins, since we live in a polluted environment. All of this endangers our health, and we must take precautions in order to avoid any health problem. We have busy lifestyle, and therefore our diet is consisted of unhealthy foods. This has to be changed immediately. Very often while routine checks, we have elevated levels of blood sugar that can lead to many diseases in our body. Such disorder, as well as blood pressure, are actually silent killers which lead to disruption of function of other organs. Diabetes is an insidious disease that affects the way the body will handle the blood glucose. The highest percentage of patients are diagnosed with type 2. If you are suffering from this type of diabetes, then your body cannot use insulin properly. Check your blood sugar levels regularly. Consult your family doctor if someone in your family is already suffering from this disease. The number of cases of diabetes is growing rapidly, and precautions must be made. If the level of blood sugar is above 126 mg per deciliter for fasting blood test or more than 200 mg per deciliter at any time during the day, then it is a sign of diabetes. Luckily, there is natural homemade remedy for elevated level of blood sugar. All you will require is already in your kitchen. Needed ingredients are as follows: boiled egg, vinegar, water. Preparation of this natural remedy. Boil 1 egg in the afternoon. When the egg is cooled, peel it and pierce it several times with a fork. Afterwards, put the egg in large bowl and pour some vinegar over the egg. Leave it like then for the night. Eat the egg in the morning with a glass of warm water. Repeat this treatment daily and your blood sugar will be significantly reduced. Check your blood sugar in a week and you will be amazed by the effects. This is excellent and efficient home remedy. Not to mention how cheap it is. Try it and be persistent in order to results to be achieved.